Hello, and welcome to a short video that I've put together for you to show you the Horoscope app in your OneLaunch desktop search application. So, as you know, if you've been using OneLaunch or watching any of my videos here, OneLaunch is built to make your day-to-day life digitally on your computers that much more easy and more efficient. So we thought about all the things that people do day to day in their lives, and sometimes not even digitally, but just in their lives in general. So read the news, check the weather, check their email, look for maps and directions and route planning for things they do each day. And we've built a lot of apps to kind of satisfy the answers to those things that you need to have answered. As you know, the apps library here is full of things in that regard. So Maps app, Weather app, calculator apps, games apps, email. We've got speed test tools, places where you can find all the forms and templates and manuals that you might need, e-cards, all sorts of stuff. So today I'm going to highlight the Horoscope app, which is yet another of those things that a lot of people do check their horoscope each day. They enjoy checking, what the stars or whatever you want to call it is saying about their day and their future. And it's an enjoyable thing for a lot of people to do, whether it's in the newspaper, it's in your magazines, it's on websites, etc. So we thought, let's make sure we've got a horoscope app right in the OneLaunch desktop search application. So it's right here, kind of the star icon, but let's assume you don't have it pinned. So just click on the apps library, the gray plus icon there. Open up the apps library and scroll down, and it looks like the Horoscope app is on the third row in the center. So let's just click that to pin it to the OneLaunch dock. So once it's pinned here, top left on your OneLaunch dock, let's open it. And you'll immediately see the Horoscope app. So we've got quick links out to all the Chinese zodiac signs and quick links to all the star signs. And I'll just click on one quickly, Aries. So we're using astrology.com kind of as our partner to actually deliver to you the daily horoscope for Aries. Or I'll just open up, let's choose a Chinese zodiac for Rat. Same thing, astrology.com, quick click, opens up the daily Chinese horoscope for Rat. For today, I'm checking on August 19th, 2022. So those are kind of the quick links if you just want to take a glance at different signs, but we presume that you want to check first and foremost for your actual birthday for your specific sign. So let's actually, here, enter your birthday to find your signs. So we'll select for you both your star sign and Chinese zodiac. So this is important if you might not know them off by heart. So I'm going to actually use my real birthday here, March 10th and 1988. Find your sign. So after you've entered the month and the day and the year, find your sign. So my star sign is Pisces and my Chinese zodiac is Dragon. So from this point on, these will be stored here by default. And all I have to do is just click. And that right away, just close my prior tabs, again is opening up the Pisces daily horoscope for today. And then same thing, our system has detected that based on my birthday, my Chinese zodiac is Dragon. Same thing, I can click that and then learn all about the daily Chinese horoscope for Dragon for today as well. So super kind of convenient and handy, very, very simple and straightforward. And another option here, as soon as you've learned your signs, if you didn't know them prior, of course it's a bit annoying to have to click the daily horoscope app icon and then click through to your star sign or Chinese zodiac sign. So simply right click. Oh, you can't do it from these two, sorry. At this point, you can just click, not even right click, or you can right click pin to dock, or just pin it by clicking it in the first place. So I'm gonna pin, oh, why am I in Aries? I'm gonna pin Pisces. Where is it? It's here, bottom right. Oops. Okay, so a click does not do that. A click just simply opens it. I'm gonna right click, or you actually have to click this center spot here. So right click, pin to dock, or click the actual box top right. So I've pinned it, and then I also want to check my Chinese zodiac sign daily. So I'll go here and same thing, just click this top right section or right click, um, pin to dock, and then you can see that's those have both been pinned to my dock. So again, that's super convenient access that we provide to a ton of different things and value on the web. So at this point, now that I've pinned Pisces and Dragon, I'm actually going to unpin the OneLaunch app because I don't need it anymore. All I'm interested in, my use case, is just to check my personal daily signs each day, both my star sign and my Chinese zodiac. If you didn't solely care about your signs, you would be able to just leave the Horoscope app pinned, and then you can just click through to all of these as you see fit each day. And this could be you're checking for a friend or a loved family member, a husband or a child. And so maybe it is that you want to keep the Horoscope app pinned. And there's no limit to how many of these you want to pin. So you could pin a lot of these to your dock. You can see here a little toggle popped up saying additional apps are here. So that's because there's no limit to how many you can pin, but there is a limit to the space here. So as soon as you go past a certain amount, we start to populate them in a drop-down menu from this app. So same thing, they're still there, just a quick click. In that case, opens up the Snake Daily Chinese Horoscope for today. So that is that. But in my case, yeah, I'd probably just focus on just my two, but completely up to you. So that's what my dock looks like now, just the Pisces and the Dragon. So hopefully that is helpful. If you like to check these things in your horoscope daily, hopefully you enjoy it. Hopefully it makes sense. Please email us at support@onelaunch.com if you have any questions or any ideas for how we can make this better. Thank you very much and have a great day.